Hi everyone. In this video, I am discussing about the recent paper on food safety officer. This is the second paper which is having the questions of current subject, include life sciences and allied sciences. So the first question is the disks which crack down the unsound kernel for rejection is called. The correct answer, entoliter. Elementary toxic eleukia, shortly called as ATK, is caused by Fusarium sporotrichoides. According to iceberg disease theory, the floating tip represents clinical cases. Lathyrm is caused due to high consumption of kesari dal. Scromboid poisoning is mainly due to formation of histamines. The desirable flavor in the milk yogurt is due to the formation of acetaldehyde is the correct answer. Here you see the match the following. So one side quality parameter, the second one is equipment used. So we have to correctly match the equipment used for that quality parameter. The first one is butter content of milk, that is B, butyrometer, sugar content, refractometer, color intensity, spectrophotometer, tenderness, penetrometer. The deficiency symptom of essential fatty acid is, this is very important question, phrinoderma. It is the deficiency symptom of essential fatty acids. The concept of primary healthcare system as a basic unit for health was provided by Bohr Committee. The successive growth curve features of exponential and stationary phases with the lag phase in between is seen in diaxic growth. The question number 11, heating milk followed by immediate cooling to increase the keeping quality is known as pasteurization, which was identified by the Louis Pasteur because of his name, that is called pasteurization. Partial sealing of a can facilitates the escape of dissolved or free air is known as clinching. Halo-tolerant bacteria can grow or survive at high salt concentrations. Halobacteria means salt-loving bacteria. Question number 14. Which of the following can be used to differentiate of Escherichia coli from Enterobacter species? Production of indole from tryptophan. Question number 15. The oxygen carrying compound of the muscle is myoglobin. Question number 16. Facultative anaerobes are the bacteria that can grow in presence and absence of oxygen. Facultative means temporary. The question number 17. Lye peeling is done by dipping in boiling sodium hydroxide solution. Question number 18. Partially fermented tea is called oolong. Question number 19. In microbial modeling systems, the term D represents the time for. The answer is 1 log units of activation. The products containing living microorganisms is defined as probiotics. The most frequently applied inactivation model in retarded food is thermal death models. Question number 22. The standards formulated on physical and chemical characteristics of food is done by Agmark standards. Question number 23. In microbiological experiments, stomacare is homogenizer of food samples. Mastitis is mainly due to Staphylococcus aureus. Question number 25. Ergotism is caused by Calviceps purpurea. So now consider the following statements. Microbial contamination of food from the air can be reduced by which of the statements are correct? Removing the potential sources, using the filter air, using the positive air pressure, reducing the humidity level. So all are correct only. The estimation of the probability of the occurrence of adverse events in food production is known as risk assessment. In anthocyanins, increase in number of hydroxyl groups yields dash color and methoxy groups give dash color. Hydroxyl groups yields blue color and methoxy gives the red color. Answer is blue and red. Principles of food identification. This is very important. Restoration of normal level to replace the nutrient loss during processing, to maintain the above natural level in the food, to improve public health, to make food competitive, sorry, complete by itself. Which of the statements are correct? All statements are correct. So now the match the following antiseptic versus dose. The first one is sugar. Sugar dose is 70%. This is for food preservation. Sugar dose is 70% and salt is 15% and acetic acid is 2% and benzoates are 0.2%. The energy obtained from 10 grams of oil is 9 90 kilocalories. See, 1 gram of fatty acids burn, it will give 9 kilocalories of energy. So 10 grams of oil, nothing but the fatty acid, will give 90 kilocalories. Bacteria known as the buffet germ is called Clostridium perfringens. The iron requirement is highest for pregnant women. During malting of barley, the increase in gibberellic acid will causes increase in reducing sugar. The antimicrobial property of mustard oils is due to the presence of isothiocyanate. So consider the following with represent to the trypsin inhibitors present in pulses. The fatty acids and prevents the activity of trypsin in the gut. Release of methionine is hampered. Can be inactivated at autoclave temperatures. Which of the following statements are correct? So 1, 3, 4 is correct. The second one, they are fatty acids and prevents the activity of trypsin in the gut. This is false statement. So question number 37. Addition of potassium sorbate, sodium benzoate or sodium phosphate is done during dash of fish, salting of fish, skimming of milk or addition of skimmed milk to ordinary milk will leads to change in the fat content. That is the correct answer. So now you see the match the following nutritional deficiency with the symptoms. So nutrient and clinical symptoms. So you clearly see the first one is kwashiorkor. It's a moon phase symptom, and iodine is cretinism. Vitamin C is bleeding gums, and riboflavin is sorry, yeah, and riboflavin is angular stomatitis. Which of the following causes hydrolytic rancidity in oils? Lipase. The nutrient profile, which are extensively used in the laboratory for the biochemical identification of unknown microorganism isolated from foods, is carbohydrate metabolism. Undissolved residual protein left after the extraction of milk from soya is called okra. Consider the following sentences about polymerization of oils. Uh, which of the following statement are correct. So one, two, three statements are correct, and the fourth statement decreases in viscosity and foaming capacity is wrong. So frustration, insecurity, lack of job satisfaction, poor human relationships are considered as causative factors of psychosocial hazards. The next question 45. Carcasses contains an average of dash bacterial cells per inch. 10 bacterial cells per inch. Question number 46. Which of the following contain high fiber millets? Question number 47. Iron absorption is interfered by tannins. Question number 48. Which among the following organisms is used to index the sanitization? E. coli. Question number 49. So match the following. Here the food testing laboratory and where it is located. So this is very very important. The first one is Food Research and Standardization Laboratory. It is located in Ghaziabad. And the second one is Central Food Laboratory. It is located in Kolkata. And Public Health Laboratory. It is located in Pune. Central Food Technological Research Institute, shortly called as CFTRI. It is located at Mysore. The question number 15th. Sigvotoxin is mainly caused by the consumption of reef fish with algal toxins. Question number 51. Monosaccharides linked together by dash linkages to form disaccharides. Glycosidic linkages. The linkages between two sugars is called glycosidic linkage. The anaerobic bacteria do not increase until the onset of rigor mortis because of high oxygen rin-pre-Riger meat. The polymerized end product of the enzymatic brewing is melanin. So match the following type of milk, concentration of constituents. So type of milk and the particular concentration of the constituents. The answer is second one. So if you see the evaporated milk is 7.5% milk fat and 25% of total solute. Question number 55. The anti-nutritional factor present in egg white is evident. Which of the following is rich source of lycopene? Tomato. Because of the lycopene, tomato in will be in red color. Prevention of the emergence or development of risk factors in countries or population groups before its appearance is called as primordial prevention is the correct answer. Match the type of microorganism with suitable pH of the maximum growth. Type of microorganism pH range for maximum growth. Answer is third. Third one is the correct answer. The yeast is 4.5 to 6.0, whereas bacteria 6.0 to 8.0, and the fungi is 3.5 to 4.0. So the fungal will be suitable pH for the fungal growth will be like acidic pH. In question number 59, the spoilage is characterized by a flat container darkened products with the odor of rotten egg is called sulfide stinker spoilage. Water absorption capacity of the floor is done by pheronograph. Which of the following are the most capable of using polysaccharides as their food? Answer is molds. Which methods is more suitable to collect the dietary intake data of the large population? The answer is 24-hour recall method. Combined method of roasting and stewing in airtight pan is called as bricing. The principle of drying the material directly by sublimation is followed. Freeze drying is the correct answer. And question number 65, the washed maize, which is milled to a gritty textured product, is called masa, is the correct answer. Black spot on beef and freezing mutton are developed by Cladosporium herbarum. This is the microorganism um, which is looks like a black spot on the freezing mutton. Question number 67. Classes of wheat contains the highest content of gluten is durum wheat. And question number 68. Distribution of fat between the muscle fiber bundle is known as marbling. Question number 69. A good source of most of the B complex vitamin is bran of cereals. Unfortunately, we people doesn't eat the bran, but bran is most important for the B complex vitamins. So, question number 17. Consider the following statements. Germination of pulses. Uh, the first one is provides more essential amino acids, decrease calcium, zinc, and iron. Third one is causes activation of enzymes. Fourth is increases vitamin content. Which of the following statements are correct? So one, three, four statements are correct, and the second one decreases calcium, zinc, and iron. It's not correct. While germination, it also increases. So the second one is wrong, and one, three, four is correct. Agar droplet method was proposed by Sharp and Kilsby. Question number 72. For every increase in 152 meter of altitude, the boiling point of water is decreased by 1 degree centigrade is the correct answer. Question number 73. The technique involved in polymerase chain reaction method in assessing the food quality is DNA amplification. Amplification is nothing but the polymerization. Question number 74. The spontaneous exudation of fluid from a gel is called synersis. Question number 75. Most important body mass index, the shortly called as BMI. BMI measurement measures muscle fat mass in relation to height of an adult body, reflects adiposity, also known as Quetelet index, and calculated by height in centimeters minus 100. Which of the statements are correct? 1, 2, 3 are correct, and the fourth one calculated by height in centimeters minus 100, that is not correct. Thank you for watching.